In this video, I will show you what Claude Skills actually are, how they work, best Claude Skills, how to install skills, why developers and businesses are paying attention, and how this could completely change the AI-assisted workflows. Imagine if Claude Code could learn your coding standards, your company's workflows, your engineering operations, your Q&A process, even how your engineering team ships software. That's exactly what Claude Skills are designed to do, and this might be one of the biggest updates to AI productivity we have seen yet, because we are moving beyond just agents. Now, before I show you how to install those skills using your Claude Code terminal, or maybe you're using Claude desktop application, I want you to understand how these skills work. This is an example workflow of how Claude AI is using skills. For example, user requests a task, Claude scans available skills, relevant skills they load automatically, and Claude executes the workflow. You can use agents, and for each agent you can assign a skill, for example front-end, SEO, or debugging skill. Then Claude Code could deploy those agents in parallel with assigned skill to each agent and execute the workflow. We have three types of skills. We have Anthropic skills that you can find in their marketplace and you can install it in your Claude Code. There are document creation skills, spreadsheets analysis, presentation formatting, PDF workflows. Also, we have custom skills that we can create or we can download. In just a second, I'm going to show you where to find those skills. We have internal coding standards, engineering operations, review and debug, Q&A processes, front-end and back-end design, marketing and copywriting, documentation workflows, data analysis methods, web scraping, SEO, GEO. Also, we have organization skills for enterprise teams that admins can deploy skills company-wide. That means every employee can instantly access AI workflows without any setup required. So why this matters for developers? We can create coding standards, pull request structures, testing requirements, documentation formats, deployment processes. This creates faster development, better consistency, improved workflow, stronger documentation, and more scalable engineering workflows. And I think this is the future of agentic AI workflows, where agents can read feature requests, analyze repos, find bugs, generate plan, write code, create tests, update documents, follow workflows, interact with tools, maintain standards, collaborate across platforms, and execute repeatable business operations. This is a website called skills.sh where you can find a lot of skills and install in your Claude. For example, we have front-end design. You can click on this skill. As you can see, this is the skill. Now, if you go to the repo, over here you click on the repo, you can copy this link and open your terminal. And you can basically tell Claude Code to install this skill for you. So just paste the link and tell him, hey Claude, install this skill for me. Now Claude will install this skill for you and you can use it with your agents. And basically you can choose which skills from this repo you want to install, if you want to install all 17 skills or pick specific ones. As you can see, we have brand guidelines, canvas design, Claude API. So basically you can choose what skills to install from this repo. I found some SEO skills that I want to show you how to install in your desktop application. With your desktop application is a little bit different. You cannot paste this link and tell Claude to install it. You need to go here and download this repo as a zip file. Go ahead, unzip this file, and you're going to find a folder called skills. Now to install any of those skills in your Claude desktop application, for example, I'm going to install this SEO audit. I'm gonna right click and I'm going to compress this file. Now open your Claude desktop application. On the left menu you can see customize, click on that, click on skills, then you can add skills. Over here you can browse skills from the Anthropic marketplace or you can add a custom skill. This is what we are going to do. Click upload skill and basically you can drag and drop your zip file over here and Claude will install this skill for us. As you can see, our skill is already installed. We have our SEO audit skill. To use the skill that we just installed, we need to type in SEO audit and paste the URL we want to use. This goes for all the skills that you installed. You can type / and the skill name. For example, I have geo skill, geo audit, report, and so on. It works the same way with your Claude desktop application. Just type in your skill and you can use your skill. And also you can tell Claude Code to create skills for you, so you can share with your teams and use them internally. That's for today's tutorial. I hope you learned how to use Claude Skills. Make sure you check our Pro Level AI Academy, where we host co-working sessions every week. We gather and build together. AI Academy is where I teach people how to use AI tools, how to build automations, how to build applications. So make sure you join our community. You can find a lot of different tutorials over here. And if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.